Hello everybody, Dr. Coyle coming to you from the Coyle Institute here in Pensacola, Florida. And today I have a question for you. What if I have something that I could offer you that could improve your urinary leakage, like leaking with coughing, sneezing, laughing, running, jumping, lifting, exercising, as well as improve your urinary urgency and frequency, going to the bathroom all the time, as well as getting up several times at night to go to the bathroom, and at the same time improve your sexual relations by increasing the intensity of your orgasms as well as improving the ease of which you obtain an orgasm. All of this being all natural, non-invasive, non-surgical, and no downtime. If I could offer you something like that, what would you say? If you were somebody that says, well, yes, then let me tell you about the O-shot. The O-shot is a very simple procedure that's done right here in the office at Coyle Institute, and it's where we take what we call platelet-rich plasma. Platelet-rich plasma has been used for over 30 years in medicine. There's been over 15,000 research projects done using platelet-rich plasma with no adverse effects. And when I say all natural, it's because it's using your own body's tissue healing factors as well as their growth factors, and most important, the multipotent stem cells. And so what we do with the platelet-rich plasma is it gets re-injected in a very pain-free way, the way that we do it, back into the areas that we're talking about, kind of into the erogenous zone underneath the urethra, as well as the clitoris. And by doing that, we're putting in the body's multipotent stem cells to improve function. Okay, and so that, as well as the growth factors that come with that. So, for example, if you were to cut yourself or scrape yourself or something like that, the yellow goo stuff that develops, that is platelet-rich plasma that is trying to heal that area. And so what we do with the O-shot is we have you come into the office, we draw some blood from you, and we have an FDA-approved centrifuge that will spin that blood down to isolate the platelet-rich plasma on top of that. Then that gets drawn off, and the whole time that you're waiting for this, you're numbing, and we also have a special numbing technique that we do. And then in a very pain-free way, we re-inject the platelet-rich plasma back in, and you're good to go. You can drive yourself here, drive yourself back home. You have no downtime at all. It's all natural, and it's all yours. And so there is no reaction to it, okay? And then on top of that, we see women that you can have significant improvement right away. However, we know for sure that the platelet-rich plasma does not really start taking effect until about 3 weeks, with a full benefit at 3 months. But most women will say that, usually around 3 weeks, what will happen is they just start to feel like they notice their clitoris a little bit more. The urinary symptoms usually happens a lot sooner than that. These ladies will go from getting up 5 times at night to sleeping through the night within a week or so after the procedure. So the urinary symptoms really kind of start taking off pretty soon, but ultimately the full effect is going to be around 3 months. How long does the O-shot last? Well, the O-shot can last, everybody's different, but it can last up to 3 years. The average person gets the O-shot redone around 15 to 18 months. And so once again, you just come into the office, you have it done, and you go about your business. The reason I'm bringing this up, because as a urogynecologist, I spend all day long, every day, working with women that are struggling with leaking urine, with coughing, sneezing, laughing, and things like that. And there's a lot of ladies out there, a lot of you guys out there that are really not interested in a surgical procedure at all. We obviously can offer that to you here as well. But if you're also kind of struggling with the sexual dysfunction as well, the O shot really is something that it really can kind of, get you back to doing the things that you enjoy doing. And as always, here at Coyle Institute, our goal is we're trying to restore your life by restoring pelvic health. And that's what we're trying to do. And I certainly believe that the O shot is an absolute way to restore your life in many, many aspects. And so if you're interested, don't hesitate. As always, give us a call. Go online. You can send us an email at www.coyleinstitute.com. And as always, we're here to help. And so don't hesitate to reach out to us. And have a wonderful day.